Updating your address with M&T Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into online banking. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Settings section in your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Address Update. In the Profile Settings, find the option for updating your address. Click on it to proceed to the Address Update form. Step 4. Enter new address. Fill out the required fields with your new address information. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new address, review the information for accuracy and submit the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your address has been updated. Make sure to check your account statements and correspondence to confirm that the address change has been processed.